नमस्ते, स्वागत छ यहाँलाई ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइटमा ब्युटी विथ पर्पस अङ्ग्रेजीमा भनिन्छ नेपालीमा के हो थाहै छैन बट म के भन्न चाहन्छु भने जीवनमा यदि तपाईले के गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने तपाईको सोचमा पनि त्यही चाहना जहिले पनि हुनुपर्छ मैले गर्न सक्छु म अगाडि बढ्न सक्छु मैले गर्नुपर्छ त्यो सोचले मात्रै हामीलाई जहिले पनि एक किसिमको ताकत दिन्छ त्यो ताकत हो positive thought, sakaratmak soch. Without that, life means nothing. We have to understand what we are doing. There's nothing that is impossible. Everything is possible. आजको यो प्रोफाइल तपाईले हेर्नुभयो भने we can reach to any level that we want. नेपालमा हामी सीमित भएर बस्नु पर्दैन. हामीले नेपाली भएर पनि के न के गर्न सक्छौं. Let's watch this profile.
लगनशीलताले दृढ बनाउँदछ अनि दृढ संकल्पले मान्छेलाई लक्ष्यमा पुर्याउँदछ. यसको उदाहरण हुन् मिस नेपाल 2013 इशानी श्रेष्ठ. आजभन्दा 22 वर्ष अगाडि काठमाडौँमा जन्मनु भएको इशानी श्रेष्ठ पेसाले डेन्टिस्ट भए पनि मिस नेपालको पार्टिसिपेन्ट भएर टाइटल जितेपछि थुप्रै सामाजिक कार्यमा संलग्न हुनुहुन्छ. प्रोजेक्ट स्माइल अन्तर्गत 300 भन्दा बढी जुम्लावासीहरूलाई ओरल हाइजिन सेवा प्रदान गर्नुभएको थियो भने मिस वर्ल्ड 2013 मा नेपालको तर्फबाट सहभागी भई उत्कृष्ट 10 मध्ये एक सहभागी बन्नुभई ब्युटी विथ पर्पसको उपाधि जित्नु भएको थियो.
नमस्ते, वेलकम टु ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइट.
नमस्ते.
इशानी.
हजुर.
मिस नेपाल?
Yes.
How does it feel?
It feels surreal to be sitting here and being titled as Miss Nepal.
Why do you feel that way? Because you already won.
Because being Miss Nepal has been a dream since I was a child. And then putting into all the hard work and determination, finally being gifted the things that you deserve.
Well, you deserve it.
Yeah, I hope so.
You worked very hard for that.
I did. Very hard.
Did you ever had this feeling that you were going to win Miss Nepal?
Yes. My mother instills all the positivity in me. जे कुरा हुन्छ राम्रोको लागि हुन्छ त्यो सधैँ सोच्नु भने भन्नुहुन्थ्यो मलाई. And then I think everyone must believe that they're born to do something great, and I've always felt that way.
You're born with a mission.
Yes, I was.
You agree with that?
And I agree with that. And I
want to
wanted
shake hands with you for that. Welcome again.
Thank you so much.
More nervous bhayau ni Ishani. Miss Nepal सँग but it's such a pleasure. It's not only Miss Nepal, Miss Ishani Shrestha, but in Miss World also, we were sitting tight, glued onto the television, watching you there.
I intended on doing that.
We had our fingers crossed. Little disappointed, not because of you, little disappointed because our expectations अनुसार पुग्यो भन्ने फिल भएको थियो भएन. Still, that was a great achievement.
Thank you.
How did it make you feel?
Well, my mission in going to Miss World was winning the crown. There was nothing else that I focused during my stay there in Indonesia. Ani finale night samma mehnat garyo, and like when I was on the stage, I was actually very calm. I had already been rewarded.
That is what hard work is all about.
I guess.
Preparation. All the times have changed. Participating is like winning, Mansa, right? But I believe that I participate to win.
Me as well. Well, we head into a direction with an aim and a goal. And we always, no matter where we are, we always plan on winning. But winning is not everything. Winning is something, but it is not everything. I think, I mean, like, after coming back from Miss World, I feel like, and I'm going to succeed in that as well. It installs, like, the positivity, but at the same time, we must not forget that we learn at the same time, and learning never goes to waste.
Dr. Sahabलाई त के सिकाउनु पर्यो? मेरो दाँत ठिक छ डाक्टर.
हजुर.
दाँत ठिक छ?
Yeah, very nice.
टुटेको दाँत हो नि.
देखिँदैन. They did a good job.
They did a good job. Dentistry.
Yeah.
Doctor.
Nowadays.
What took you into that?
Dentistry, I've always been a very artistic person. I've loved doing sketching and arts and dancing and then like creating things of my own, whatever it is. And then dentistry requires so much of handwork and,
Patience.
patience. And I'm not like much of a patient person. I'm always active, always, excited, ready to do everything. But dentistry is that one thing
Controls you.
it controls me. It puts me in a chair, gives me two little objects and lets me work on something really tiny and lets me put all of my focus into that. I think it's something really
When are you
special.
going to graduate? You finish your dentistry?
Soon, hopefully. I haven't been able to attend my college because I've been busy being a Miss
Will
Nepal.
you be practicing?
Soon, hope so.
नेपालमा ओरल हाइजिनको कुरा गर्नुपर्दा अझै पनि हामी पिछडेका छौँ। दिनमा 2 चोटि दाँत माझ्ने व्यक्तिहरू हाम्रै साथीभाइको सर्कलमा खोज्ने हो भने पनि
Busy.
hardly anyone. बिहान उठ्यो एकचोटि दाँत माझ्यो सक्यो।
Okay.
कसरी चाहिँ तपाईँले कन्भिन्स हाउ वुड यु वान्ट टु कन्भिन्स?
I think it's a really hard job, but like awareness is the best policy when it comes to health and when it comes to anything. That's a duty माझ्नै पर्छ।
स्वास्थ्यको लागि
हजुर दुईचोटि माझे पनि हुँदैन राम्रोसित माझ्नु पर्ने
राम्रोसँग माझ्नु पर्यो होइन
हजुर,
र ब्युटी विथ पर्पस
हजुर
राम्रो मान्छेले भन्दाखेरि सबैले त्यसलाई सहज स्वीकार्छ अरे होइन है ब्युटी विथ पर्पस होइन
हजुर
मिस वर्ल्ड टाइटल फर यु जुम्लामा जाने आइडिया कसले दिएको थियो?
After I won Miss Nepal, मेरो focus त directly Miss World मै गइसकेको थियो. But then I had to keep this in mind that I was not Miss Nepal just to go to Miss World. I had my certain duties and responsibilities in staying back in Nepal and providing the service that I had to as Miss Nepal and being an icon within the youth. Ani Beauty with a Purpose, the title, चाहिँ Miss World ले पहिला थाहा थियो मलाई because I follow pageantry very with passion. And then Beauty with a Purpose मा चाहिँ I have to do something that I know, that I'm educated with, that I can genuinely go out and help people with things that I know. Nothing that I have to learn अनि आदि बुझेको कुरा गरेर सिकाउने हैन कि बरु जानेको कुरा सिकाउँ.
तर हाम्रो देशमा अझै पनि कतिपय समूहले कतिपय आमा बाउले कतिपय यंगर अपकमिङ जेनेरेसनलाई पनि मिस नेपालको जब खुल्छ
हजुर
फर्म फिलअप गर भनेपछि हिचकिचाउँछन्
हजुर
बट ब्युटी विथ पर्पस इज द नि
हजुर I think I've changed that perception.
I think so. Let's take a short break
Sure.
and I'll come back with you.
Sure.
Stay back with Black and White. Welcome back to Black and White. I have Miss Nepal, Miss Ishani Shrestha. Nervous हुँदो रहेछ. Larger than life image. Miss World मा पनि Beauty with Purpose. That's big achievement. Top 10. अच्छा top 5 भएर Miss World भएको भए त I think I would also faint. Okay?
I would have probably fainted as well.
You would have fainted also.
Yeah.
But it's reachable.
It was reachable. I was almost there. I was so close to it.
It's reachable.
It's
Amazing, no?
reachable.
What do you think that you missed out on?
Nothing. I don't
It's just that they did
Okay.
it better.
Maybe, yeah. She was very deserving. She was a very humble girl, and I'm very happy for her.
Your friends still.
Yeah, we're still friends. Me and her, we were together for Dances of the World, Megan, and she's a very nice girl. She's a movie star back home in her hometown in Philippines, and having that background and the image, and when she walked in, she was so humble. She was so elegant in a sense, confident, but then it didn't show in her personality. She was very humble, and I find humility a big plus in anyone.
Miss World को experience को कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु हैन?
Okay.
Tell us the bad experience. Normally when people put up questions, they say good experience.
Good experience.
Tell me the bad experience.
I'm such a positive person. Like I dig out the positivity out of
Yeah,
negativity
but
as well.
Still, something must have struck. हुन्छ नि कहिलेकाहीँ हुन्छ नि. Not to blame them or
हजुर,
anything.
हजुर.
Something through which you have
I
learned.
think that मिस वर्ल्डमा चाहिँ हाम्रो के भयो भने जकार्तामा हुनुपर्ने फिनाले बालीमै गर्नुपर्ने भयो जकार्तामा प्रोटेस्ट भइरहेको थियो दे वर लेबलिङ मिस वर्ल्ड एज bikini contest, revealing women's body, exploiting women from around the world. त्यस्तो भनेर चाहिँ इन्डोनेसियामा पनि हुँदो रहेछ अनि जकार्तामा we were supposed to stay over at Hyatt and Hyatt बाहिर प्रोटेस्ट गरेर हाम्रो डमीहरू बनाएर डमीलाई जलाइदिएर सबै त्यस्तो गर्नुभयो अनि त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ हामी बालीमा हुँदाखेरि हाम्रो security was really tight. It was really tight.
So you're not open?
No, we're not. हामी त मेरो रुम बाहिरदेखि रेस्टुरेन्टसम्म जानलाई पनि होटलको रेस्टुरेन्टसम्म जानलाई पनि we had securities with us.
So that was kind of tight.
It was, yeah.
But you did learn the fact that you people were so important.
Yeah, it
for
made
the
us
society of the world.
It made me feel really valuable. Like my life
See, I
was
asked you a
very
nice
valuable.
question. Normally they ask the other way around. Tell us the good part.
Good part. I think it's really cool that I have friends in 127 nations. I'm still in contact with them. And
Would you invite some of them here?
yeah, I've been inviting them. Miss Australia visited us a few months ago.
You just brought her to
next
Black
time
and White.
soon. I've
Wow.
invited. I was friends with almost all of them. I remember their faces.
Remember Black and White next time.
I will. I
Top
promise.
of the world.
Okay.
I know.
Yeah.
So the good part is you have an extended family. Let's put it this way.
Yeah, I could
Friends
go
are like
anywhere.
family.
Also, I could go anywhere in the world, and I have a friend there.
Friend.
I will never be a stranger to that place.
Extended family. I'll just leave it there.
Also,
Kathmandu, after family. What does your mom do?
they're both into business. My mom is an economy graduate, and then my dad is a business graduate, and they're both into business. I have my younger sister who's graduating this year from college, and she's a pre-medical student. And then I have two younger siblings. They're in kindergarten. They're in first grade, actually. And then they're this bundle of joy in the home, always loud, and they keep the house alive all the time. And they're still in school.
They're identical twins?
No, they're Bhaiya Bhaini cha.
Okay.
Yeah, and one of them, they look completely different, nothing alike at all.
नेपालमा मिस नेपालको निम्ति पार्टिसिपेट गर्नको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने कसरी चाहिँ निम्ताउने
मिस नेपाल हुन सजिलो छैन मान्छेहरूले नेपाल सुन्दरी भन्छ त्यो नेपाल सुन्दरी चाहिँ आई हेट द्याट टर्म नेपाल सुन्दरी आई डोन्ट क्लेम टु बी द मोस्ट सुन्दरी अफ नेपाल हैन बट being a Miss Nepal, it requires a confident, mature, educated, strong, humble, a leader. Everything is, at the same time, we must be able to represent the woman that we've left out in the villages. त्यसको पुरा एउटा amalgamation हुनुपर्छ.
I like that word. Amalgamation.
Amalgamation. This सबै हुनुपर्छ. And once you blend all that together, once you have the woman, and if she's able to present herself and her country in the platform, that millions, billions of people view, that should be Miss Nepal.
कस्तो गर्ल्सहरूलाई तपाईले अप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ अब
If you can succeed me, I want someone who can succeed me. म भन्दा धेरै गर्न सकोस् हजुर म भन्दा धेरै गर्न सकोस् क्राउन ल्याउन सकोस् I would always want a Miss Nepal to do
Miss World title.
Miss World title,
That
of
will
course.
make you happy.
That's what I want
At the
from
moment,
the
you are
next
the
Miss
pinnacle.
Nepal. Hazur.
At the moment.
I want someone to beat
With due
that.
respect to the rest of the Miss Nepal, they have also done pretty well.
Hazur.
I know. But from your part, you have definitely brought something big for Nepal
Hazur.
through Miss World.
Hazur.
You see, you'd be very, very happy to see somebody doing
Better than I did. Yes.
not less than you.
Not less than me.
Whoa, ladies, I think it's time for you to take that challenge. It's not a challenge, it's a call. It's a call from Miss Nepal, Ishani Shrestha. She's saying, if she can do it, you can do it. But there's a lot of hard work behind that. स्वागत छ यहाँलाई फेरि पनि ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइटमा मसँग हुनुहुन्छ इशानी श्रेष्ठ स्वागत छ
Thank you.
lot of hard work
Lot of hard work.
no gain without pain
True.
but there's also a saying risk takers are gainers.
Yeah,
You've taken this risk
of
to
course.
be in Miss Nepal.
I'm-
Despite all the talks in our society, यो राम्रो होइन त्यो केटी मान्छेलाई एउटा खेलानाको रूपमा प्रस्तुत गरेर चाहिँ केटी मान्छेलाई खालि अनुहार देखाउनु मात्रै नङ्ग्याएको छ यो नेपालमा मात्रै होइन इन्डोनेसियामा पनि देख्यौँ
हजुर
त्यही बिकिनी लगाएर चाहिँ स्विमिङ पुलमा स्विमिङ गर्दा के पनि नहुने त्यही बिकिनी लगाएर मिस वर्ल्डमा मिस नेपालमा आयो भने चाहिँ ठुलो इस्यु भन्ने
हजुर
नेपालीत्व नेपाली भावहरू हराएर गएर भन्ने यत्रो हुन्छ You believe in that?
No. I mean, I can't change the way people think, but
you
I
can
know
at
what I
least
think.
influence.
Like, I can influence them.
How can
and
you convince them?
I think I am an example. I want them to see me as an example.
तपाईँ पक्का नेपाली
म त पक्का नेपाली
नेपाल छोडेर त जानुहुन्न
छाड्दिनँ तर मलाई त्यस्तो धेरै क्वेसनहरू सोध्नुहुन्छ कि मिस नेपाल भएपछि बाहिर जानुहुन्छ कि भनेर म बाहिरबाट नेपाल फर्काए मान्छे
अब किन जानुपर्छ
अब पढाइको लागि गयो भने चाहिँ पढाइको लागि जान्छु
तर बसाइ चाहिँ यहीँ हुन्छ।
बसाइ त यहीँ हुन्छ आई लभ नेपाल म त
पक्का होइन?
हजुर म त यही धुलो पनि मनपर्छ
आज
धुवा
त
पनि मनपर्छ
मनपर्छ?
मनपर्छ
द्याट इज द स्पिरिट अहिले हाम्रो देशबाट पलायन भइरहेका छन् यङ्गर जेनेरेसन
हजुर
के भन्ने उहाँहरूलाई
उहाँहरूको-
इन्डिया इन सर्च अफ द ड्रिम वी बिलिभ
हजुर
द्याट यहाँ नभएर तर यहाँ हुन सक्नेहरूले पनि त गरे त हुन्थ्यो नि
खाने मुखलाई ढुङ्गाले छेक्दैन भन्छ नि
अँ।
That's what it is. मैले पनि if I had felt sorry for myself, म त नेपालबाट हो सानो कन्ट्रीबाट मैले सायद मिस वर्ल्डमा त्यत्रो ठुल्ठुलो कन्ट्रीहरू पपुलर कन्ट्रीसँग मैले कम्पिट गर्न सक्दैन भनेको भए
नेपाल कसरी सानो
I would have
देश?
left out. That's what people think.
संसारमा 250 300 कतिवटा देशमा
हजुर
40औं स्थानमा छौँ हामी
Yeah, but that's what people forget in Nepal.
अनि
आफूले
28
आफूलाई
मिलियन छ
सानो
है हाम्रो।
सानो भन्न थाल्नुहुन्छ कि नेपालमा यो अपर्च्युनिटी छैन त्यो अपर्च्युनिटी छैन के छैन जे पनि छ आई गट एभ्रिथिङ द्याट आई वान्टेड इन दिस
What more
वर्ल्ड
then? What
हजुर।
more? You don't need more, होइन?
आई डोन्ट निड मोर मलाई चाहिने जति यही छ
You can just enhance that.
हजुर अफ कोर्स if you want opportunity you have to go look for it you should not be waiting for it to come and serve
They
you
won't serve you like
no one's going to serve you anything if you want a good life
that.
you'll
Were
go
you
ahead
born
and you
with
get
a
it
golden spoon?
I
I'm
think
sorry, I have to come to this.
हजुर
That's the reality.
My parents, they've raised me very well. I'm the oldest child and मेरो बाबाको favorite child and I'm the most spoiled child. But then at the same time, while growing up, my mom was the one who tamed me. I think you need a serious tamer in your life. And my mom always showed me the reality. Like, तिमीहरू आफ्नै खुट्टामा उठ्न सक्नुपर्छ हामी सधैँ हुने भने छैन पढाइ हो सबभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट मान्छेले छाड्न सक्ला तिमीलाई anything might leave you हामीले छाडेर जानु पर्ला एक दिन तर तिमीलाई पढाइले कहिले छाड्दैन that's important and I think once you have education you become wiser not that you become smarter but you become wiser that's how I take
Then you
education
start working smarter.
yes
Beauty purpose को cause लिएर तपाईँले काम पनि गर्नुभएको थियो जुम्लामा होइन
हजुर
त्यो कन्टिन्यू गर्ने कि नगर्ने तपाईँ
गर्ने I have big hopes for Project Smile. I've never done charity work in my life and I didn't think the purpose of it. And then after like working for Project Smile and after going to Jumla and realizing how much I can influence on the people, like I saw hope in their eyes when they saw me. अब के हुन्छ कि and you know that's important. हामी त सहरमा बस्ने मान्छे हामीले त्यस्तो लाइफ सोचेकै थिएन. When I went out there and I saw that and that influences me. Project Smile चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने मान्छेहरू नेपालमा मान्छेहरूको बानी चाहिँ what I believe is उसले किन काम गरेन त्यो काम उसले गर्नुपर्ने काम किन गरेन भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ कि but why don't they get up and do their work त्यस्तो लाग्छ मलाई because I'm doing my job
like that. These fingers are pointing at you, one only is pointing on the other side. This is what we don't realize.
yeah that's what people don't realize मैले त hopefully I have 2 projects for February and then I'm planning something for Miss Nepal and then a beauty with a
How
purpose
would
for
you-
Miss World.
Give yourself with hidden treasure now for upcoming Miss Nepal. How would you dedicate your time?
What I think, like personally, Miss Nepalma, हाम्रो training, एक महिनाको training भयो. We had so many lecturers who walked in and from various fields of, life, and they taught us so many things. And I was never nervous. I was just there, and I was confident. I was listening to them. This one day, Shrishti Shrestha walked in.
Wow.
Gone. I had sweaty hands. I was nervous. I couldn't even say my name properly. Why? Because she was the person I wanted to
She also has
become.
a big name.
She was a big name. It literally gave me goosebumps when I saw her, because she was the woman I wanted to become. After like a few weeks when I was in Miss Nepal, and that was the only time I was very nervous, because I knew her hard work, I knew her dedication, I knew the placement she had in Miss World, and I wanted to beat that placement. Lots of respect for Shrishti, and that made me nervous. She was the living dream that I had. And then I talked to my office and Mr. Gopal Kakshapati as well about the new Miss Nepal, and I'm really excited to meet them and to make sure that they're in the right path, that they're doing the great things, that they can do, that they're able to do. And I want to be their inspiration. Like, I want to help out with
So you
all
want
that
to
I
really
know.
go full out this time.
Yes, we have to bring the crown home.
Bigger crown.
Yes, a bigger crown.
It's possible.
It's possible. Nothing in the world is impossible.
पनि त सपोर्ट गर्नु पर्यो नि त हैन
मलाई सङ्घ संस्था भन्दा साथै मलाई एउटा कुरा याद आयो, अनि मलाई एकदम चित्त दुख्यो पनि यो कुराबाट. Nepal cricket team, they made into the World Cup. They just got an entrance into the World Cup. Ani
they were rewarded.
They were rewarded, like
But
10 lakhs each.
From World Miss World water title जितेर आउँदाखेरि there's nothing.
Nothing.
Watching people, if you are watching this seriously, this is what I call inspiring young and upcoming generation. Motivate them. Partiality is probably one of the worst things that can dishearten an upcoming soul, a talent. And she's very right. I'm sorry, even I never thought about that.
It was very hurtful to me personally. I've never spoken.
You're not asking for anything, but at least some sort of recognition.
You're the recognition. I don't need money. I don't need 10 lakhs. I don't need any money, but recognize me as a Nepali citizen, that did so much for her country.
Off air, we'll talk about how I feel also, but on the air, you are the most beautiful person that is sitting next to me now. You have done pride to us. You have brought a lot of energy, strength, and I know you're going to do well.
I have so much more to do.
Let's watch what your other friends have to say about
Sure.
Talking about Sani, she is a very dedicated student. Being a teacher, उहाँलाई मैले जे जति काम भन्थे, जस्तै कि आज यो गर है Sani, भोलि यो गर है, and she always used to surprise me with her dedication and her hard work. अनि ईशानी को बारेमा अरु भन्नु पर्दाखेरि I find her very genuine. उले जे काम पनि गर्छ एकदम मन लगाएर गर्छ, which is really good.
ईशानी चाहिँ एकदम डेडिकेटेड पाएँ. उ आफ्नो गोलमा चाहिँ उ निकै नै डेडिकेटेड छ र त्यसमा चाहिँ नै अलिकति जिद्दी पनि गर्छ. उले आफूले पाउनुपर्ने कुराहरुमा अलिकति जिद्दी पनि गर्छ. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि मेबी त्यो एउटा कारण हो मिस नेपाल हुन सकेको पनि हैन. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि त्यो छ. र अर्को कुरा शी क्वाइट सोशल छ र उ चाहिँ फ्रेन्डली पनि छ. द्याट इज positive part of her.
Personally, पनि उहाँ एकदम राम्रो हुनुहुन्छ, because I have known her. She's been my friend as well. And yeah, whenever I gone through any problems or any sort of things, she always there to help me with a very helping hand. And I really like Ishani for that reason.
So अहिले सोचाइ धेरै फरक हिसाबले उले सोचिरहेछ र उसको काम गराइ पनि very mature छ. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि I think she is going toward the progress of her life.
Well, Ishani, that's what they had to say. नेपाली बहिनीहरूलाई अब तपाईको सहपाठीहरूलाई कसरी निम्ताइदिनु सक्छ ती?
म के भन्न चाहन्छु भने मिस नेपाल आउँदैछ, 2 महिना बाँकी छ, प्रिपेयर गर्न थाल्नुस्. मैले त मेरो लाइफभरि प्रिपेयर गरेँ मिस नेपाल बन्छु भनेर, अनि मेरो त्यो सपना वेस्टमा गएन. Everyone is born beautiful. Everyone has a talent. Ramri huनुपर्ने भन्ने छैन. Ramri can be altered. Like your outer beauty can be altered. Makeup, hair coloring, plastic surgery. But what you need to have is an inner beauty, intelligence, confidence, humility, respect, discipline. And if you have all that, I welcome you to Miss Nepal 2014. The forms will be out very soon, and I'll be there in the training with you guys. And I would love to walk you through the journey of Miss World along with myself.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ishani, it was a pleasure having you on Black and White.
Same here. It was nice.
And it was definitely a very filling moment for me. Gave your heart and soul to us.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me here.
Right? जाँदा जाँदै राम्रो कुरा ईशानीले ल्याउनु भयो चित्त दुख्न पाइन्छ चित्त दुखाउनु पाइँदैन चित्त त्यतिखेर दुख्छ जब आफूले गरेको कामलाई कसैले पनि कदर गर्दैनन् कदर गरून् भनेर काम गरिँदैन पनि त्यो सत्य हो तर यदि त्यो कामबाट कुनै पनि मान प्राप्त हुन्छ एउटा समूहलाई राष्ट्रलाई जनतालाई भने त्यसको कदर गर्न सक्नुपर्छ मुखले बोलेर मात्र हुँदैन मिस नेपाल ईशानी श्रेष्ठले ब्युटी विथ पर्पस को क्राउन जितेपछि हामीहरू सबै हर्षित भएका थियौँ मलाई लाग्छ तपाईहरू पनि एकदम खुसी हुनुभएको थियो तर कतै पनि हामीले सोचेन रहेछौँ मैले त माफी मागिसकेँ तर अब ती सम्बन्धित निकायहरूले पनि आई थिङ्क टाइम उहाँलाई त यस्तो पर्यो भने आगामी दिनहरूमा अरूहरूलाई यस्तो नपरुन् दिस इज द ओन्ली वे वी क्यान मोटिभेट द young and upcoming generation because they are the future of our nation. Don't raise them with hopelessness. Raise them with a lot of hope, of faith, a gift of love and passion, compassion. Until next week, do stay back with Black and White because I'm going to come back with a lot of positive people, positive thoughts, positive ideas, positive smiles, healthy smiles, just like us. And, well, that's it. Until next week, namaste, cherry, and good night.